Hi everybody, my name is Shane Molander. I am a current master's student here at Coastal Carolina University. I'm originally from the Boston area up in Massachusetts. Growing up on the water really defined what I wanted to do with my career. I wanted to work on the water, be on the water, study what's in the ocean. That's really what drew me to Coastal Carolina University. So I came down here, actually studied here during my undergrad, and I actually worked really closely with Dr. Abel throughout my undergrad, where I studied the population dynamics of juvenile sandbar sharks, looking at some long-term patterns over the past 20 to 30 years. And I then stayed here for my master's degree, where I studied the trophic ecology of the bull shark, sandbar shark, long-nosed gar, and red drum to infer resource use and niche overlap amongst these estuarine predators. Coastal Carolina has shaped my career in more ways I could ever imagine. I've been a part of the Coastal Carolina University Shark Project for the past 4 years, 2 years in my undergrad and 2 years in my master's. I've worked with a number of undergraduate students here looking at age and growth, diet, and in the fall I'll be starting my PhD at Florida International University, where I'll be looking at general movement patterns, habitat use, and resource connectivity and predator-prey interactions of tiger sharks in Florida and the Bahamas. This research will hopefully dive into some of the more intricate ecological applications of these large predators to these systems and kind of unfold how these predators use those systems. I also work with a nonprofit organization called Saving the Blue, where off the coast of Florida and down in the Bahamas, we tag a variety of large sharks to get a better idea of how these large predators utilize the seascapes and how we can better manage a already protected marine area. My favorite shark, in my opinion, is the shark I'm currently working on. So right now my favorite sharks have to be the sandbar shark and the bull shark. And in the future, in a few months from now, when I start my PhD, hopefully that'll transition to tiger sharks, since I'll be doing a majority of my work on that species. Sharks as a whole are invaluable to every ecosystem they inhabit. They serve multiple positions in the food web as mesopredators, as top predators, as apex predators. So their populations too, especially our coastal environment here in South Carolina, are super important to maintain. I know some of my work into these interactions and these trends. My advice for somebody who wants to work with sharks as a career would be to just simply get your foot in the door. I would walk up to professors who work with sharks, ask them if they have any side projects that they're working on or need help completing, reaching out to graduate students and asking them if they need any help in the field, need any help in the lab. And then from there, you have experience. You could even start developing your own projects with sharks and kind of gaining more and more experience working with these animals. Another way you can get your foot in the door is through working with nonprofits. There are many nonprofits out there that work with sharks and do research on sharks. They're always looking for help. They're always looking for an extra hand. So just reaching out to them and kind of getting an idea of how different people do different things and different species, different locations will really set you ahead in this career path. Go Pats.